Now from point T1 down, I measure 11 centimeters and draw a horizontal line. This is a reference line. 11 centimeters is a constant. This line crosses the line of the first seam at this point. I connect this point with the point 1.75 with a line. The bottom line of this corset is just above the reference line. If we wanted to make a shorter corset, then the corset bottom line would now be even higher than the reference line. From point 1.75, I measure the lower part of the dart. I measure the same length along the second side of the same part of the dart. To do this, I connect the point below the waist with a line to the point H1 with a stroke. I measure it again. On the second side of the dart, the new point of the corset bottom line also shifts below. I will mark the final working lines a little later, but they will look like this. Like a zigzag. The depth of the dart of the second seam is 2.5 centimeters. To the right and to the left of the point 7, I measure half of 2.5 centimeters. So it is 1.25 centimeters to the right and to the left. I mark the first point 1.25 and the second point 1.25 with a stroke. From the point of the center of the bust, I extend this horizontal line. This is the bust line. From this line, I measure 2 centimeters. This is the top point of the dart. I connect this top point to point 1.25 with a straight line. I measure the resulting line.